Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. Today, we embark on an electrifying journey into the world of nuclear fusion. Join us as we explore the incredible promise of this revolutionary energy source and how it could power our future. At the heart of the cosmos lies an awe-inspiring process known as nuclear fusion. Deep within the sun and stars, light atomic nuclei merge to form heavier ones, unleashing a phenomenal amount of energy that sustains life on Earth. The quest for harnessing nuclear fusion on Earth is a scientific marvel. Researchers around the globe are striving to achieve controlled fusion, a sustainable and virtually limitless energy source. Experimental fusion reactors like Tokamaks and Stellarators use magnetic fields to trap and control superhot plasma, reaching temperatures hotter than the core of the sun. Challenges abound, but remarkable progress has been made in recent experiments, bringing us ever closer to achieving sustained fusion. The potential of nuclear fusion is tremendous. It offers a clean, safe, and abundant energy solution with no greenhouse gas emissions and minimal radioactive waste. Fusion research is a global endeavor, with countries working hand in hand to realize this transformative technology. As we explore the wonders of nuclear fusion, we glimpse a brighter future, where clean and sustainable energy powers our world. We hope you enjoyed this brief exploration. Stay curious and keep learning.